Hello everyone, in this Flutter tutorial we're going to create a beautiful circular wave animation from scratch. You'll learn how to use CustomPainter, AnimationController, and Flutter's animation system to build smooth and visually appealing wave effects. In this Flutter tutorial, we'll build a beautiful circular wave animation using CustomPainter, combining wave, pulse, and rotation effects for a smooth and modern UI. The paint method draws our animation and should repaint ensures Flutter redraws it whenever the animation changes. Here, we're finding the center of the canvas and calculating the maximum radius needed to draw our circular waves. Now, let's create the ripple ring effect. Inside the drawRipple rings method, we define 4 ripple rings that will animate continuously. Using a loop, each ring is given a slight delay so they don't expand at the same time. We then calculate the animation progress and apply a custom ease-out function to make the movement feel more natural and smooth. Based on this progress, the radius of each ring gradually increases from the center, while its opacity decreases, creating a fading effect. Finally, we use the paint object with a stroke style and draw each circle on the canvas. The result is a beautiful ripple animation where rings expand outward and smoothly disappear. Here, we're creating 8 orbiting dots around the center of the animation. Using rotate progress, the dots rotate smoothly, while a sine wave adds subtle in and out movement. Their size, opacity, and color change dynamically, creating a glowing orbital effect that makes the animation feel more alive and engaging. Now we're creating the main animated wave circle. First, we generate points around a circular path and calculate their positions using angles. Then, we combine 2 sine waves to distort the circle and create a smooth, flowing wave effect. The pulse progress value changes the wave amplitude, making the shape gently expand and contract over time. After building the path, we add a radial gradient fill to create a soft, glowing effect in the center. Finally, we draw the outline using a rotating sweep gradient, which gives the circle a colorful, animated border. Together, these effects create a dynamic wave circle that becomes the centerpiece of our animation. Here, we're creating the animation's core. The center circle pulses using pulse progress, while a blurred outer glow adds a soft lighting effect. Finally, a radial gradient blends multiple colors to create a bright, glowing energy core at the center of the animation. Now we're creating the circle wave animation widget. Since the animation updates continuously, we use a stateful widget with ticker provider state mixin. Then, we define 3 animation controllers to manage the wave motion, pulse effect, and rotation independently. In init state, we initialize 3 animation controllers. The wave controller drives the ripple animation, the pulse controller creates a breathing effect using reverse repetition, and the rotate controller handles smooth, continuous rotation. In Dispose, we clean up all controllers to ensure efficient memory management. Here, we use Animated Builder to listen to all 3 animation controllers at once. Whenever an animation updates, CustomPaint rebuilds and passes the latest wave, pulse, and rotation values to the painter, creating a smooth and dynamic animation. At first, I created this screen as a stateful widget, but later I realized that all animation-related state is already managed inside the Circle Wave Animation widget. Since this screen only displays UI elements and doesn't handle any changing state, I converted it to a stateless widget. This keeps the code simpler and improves maintainability. Alright, everything is set up. Let's run the project and see our circular wave animation come to life. While running the project, I got an error because I was using 3 animation controllers with single ticker provider state mixin. Since that mixin supports only 1 ticker, Flutter couldn't handle multiple controllers. The solution was simple: replace it with ticker provider state mixin, which supports multiple animation controllers. To fix this issue in the Circle Wave Painter, make sure the shouldRepaint method returns true. This tells Flutter to repaint the canvas whenever the animation values change, ensuring smooth and continuous rendering of the animation. And that's a complete walkthrough of building a circular wave animation in Flutter. We covered CustomPainter, animation controllers, Animated Builder, and even fixed common issues that can occur during development. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to create custom animations from scratch. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.